Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Friday. I hope you guys are ready for an interesting day. We just got the NFP numbers. As you can see, the market's flashing around a little bit. We're going to get the data, break it down. Here we go. All right. So I was expecting, as you guys heard on all the private streams, for these numbers to come in a little bit soft. Lower job growth, lower average hourly earnings coming up. Let's see what happens. I haven't even seen the data yet. We're just seeing the reaction to the market. But as always, ladies and gentlemen, say good morning to somebody in the live chat. If you guys would like to say good morning to me, I'd love to receive some good mornings over here. Let's do a little bit of a roll call. Let's see who's in here this morning. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot getting these streams out to more people. Remember, we are live every Monday and Friday out here for you guys publicly, and then privately Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for all of you guys in the educational program. So make sure you guys are hitting that like button. Let's kind of get over here, grab the data, break it down for you really quick. Oh, wow. All right. So U.S. unemployment rate, actual 4.1% versus 4.0% previous, estimated 4%. So we've been talking about that with initial claims and continuing claims. Non-farm payrolls were 206,000 versus 272,000 previous, estimated 190. So again, non-farm payrolls did come down. They were a little bit higher than expectations. But I mean, again, with that unemployment rate going up, it is a little mixed here. Let me see. Short-term interest rate futures drop after jobs data. I want to see what the dollar's doing over here quickly. Nothing crazy. Let's see what yields are doing. Oh, yields are off a cliff. All right. So, I mean, the overall reaction right now from this data is, according to the bond market and sort of what we're seeing in the equity market here with S&P, we're kind of seeing a little bit higher expectations of more rate cuts happening sooner. But it's really not the end all be all there. 4.1% unemployment. I mean, it's bad. We're still seeing that bad news equals good news narrative that we've been seeing. But let's see who we've got in here this morning, ladies and gentlemen. We've got A-Rock, Daily, Taylor, Samuel, Wayne, Tommy, Eddie, Wreck-It Ralph, Wreck Customs. Good morning, Cole. Yeah, CRM. We were looking at CRM, guys. I think it already got its move. It already kind of broke. It wasn't looking great. I mean, Tesla. We're going to talk a little bit about this Tesla move that I called out for you guys, which was the filthiest trade I think like that we've done in a while. I mean, what else do you want from me at this point? Nobody else is giving these trades. CRM's ready? No. CRM already broke. CRM already broke. Like, yes, but you eat all of the levels that you've seen. I mean, this really, it's kind of similar to what we saw back in here when I gave you Salesforce here. This one right here, I mean, you could have played this break right here, or you could have played this break or this break, but both of these already happened on Wednesday. So I'm not the biggest fan of this one. Also, team, we got a lot of slackers on the like button this morning. We're on early for NFP. Let's have a good day, huh? My speaker sounds weird. Hold on. It shouldn't. Maybe it's your speaker. No, we're good. This is the normal mic I've got. It's connected. It's connected. Might be because the the air conditioning's on. That's probably what it is. SMCI is what you're targeting for upside longer dated. We could take a look at that one. We could go ticker hunting today too. I don't hate that one. I do still like Crowd. Netflix actually is getting a little bit better. Crowd I really like. Netflix I really like. Sorta. I mean, it's all right. Palo Alto's another one though. Oh, dude. Am I gonna hand you guys another 600%er? But I kind of want to do a little something here. I saw Wayne in the live chat earlier. I want to give, I mean, I did a little community post on YouTube. I tweeted it out. I want to give a shout out to Wayne here, man. I mean, you guys have seen Wayne's struggles over the years, and just being able to see Wayne nailing the trades that I hand out, using the strategy that I teach. I mean, this is so textbook right here. Literally a 5-year-old could spot these and make money with these guys. Trading is not hard. You make it hard. And if it's still hard for you, your strategy just probably sucks. That's just being honest there. Like being able to nail this one, Wayne, I saw a couple of screenshots. One of them was 3,000% on Tesla. The other one was 6,000% on his account. So he held it. He held it and just continued to absolutely print. So I mean, I made a nice little 250, 300% gain on the Testies, and then I got out of it, decided to hold the Palo Altos for like 650%, which was good. But Tessie again this morning. I mean, this risk to reward on this thing, guys, is sitting in the pre-market at 1 to 21. There's nobody else on the internet or really in the world that is handing you guys trades like this. So congratulations. Shout out to all of you guys that have been in here with us that are taking these trades and setting yourself up. Oh my God. Wayne turned $72 into 2,800. Great job, buddy. Great job. That is awesome. That is awesome. SLB, COP, and HEF. Yeah, we've been taking a look at those. SLB, Schlumberger. I don't hate it. I have alerts on it. If you guys have already mentioned the tickers and I've said they look okay, I have alerts on them. We don't really need to rehash them again. But yeah, Wayne, that is absolutely amazing, man. COP, let's see what's up with. No, that's cop. Oh, Cano already have alerts on it. And then HES, I don't think we've talked about. I don't hate that one. That's interesting. That's interesting. Yeah, Wayne just crushed it, man. That's amazing. That's amazing. I mean, that's the point of the strategy, like making it so simple that it's so hard to mess up, and then just those really high risk to reward trades that print for you guys with a very high win rate. I'm Wayne. Are you still holding Tesla? Hold on. Is anybody still holding the Tesla I gave out from 188.80? I want to know because, like, I know some of you guys have shares, which is great. I mean, you guys nailed the entry there. How long did it take? The entry anonymous on Tesla was last Wednesday. It was very, very, very simple right here. Like break of 188.80, and then the rest is history. Palo Alto was another one from last week. That was a really good one. This actually was 150%. That was nice. Scaled out here, came back down, sold the rest of it, rebroke the next day, took that, and just absolutely nailed it. It's setting up again, which I like. Yeah, 2 weeks. Basically, yeah. Sold. There you go. Help those who have continued to try and short tech and chip. Where's Nvidia right now? Where is Nvidia? Oh, there it goes. I mean, I told you guys, looking at that chart with Nvidia, what did I say? I said, well, if I were to just look at that and I didn't know it was Nvidia, I'd say the highest probability move next is down, but I'm not putting any money behind that because it's Nvidia. So, well, I mean, we can take a look and see what's going to happen here. Where's AMD? AMD doesn't look bad. It's just a little choppy, guys. Like, it's just not giving me that clean look yet. As I'm not the biggest fan. Palo Alto, I am starting to be a bigger fan of, but I think this is going to be more so of a next week move. ES is not really reacting off of the NFP data yet, mainly because the expect, and you've seen them do this a few times. The expectations for some of these pieces of data are coming out really low. Month over month PCE was at 0. You saw NFP, the job gains being at 190,000 versus the last at like 247,000. Like, they're starting to do the opposite of sandbagging at this point. Crypto stocks, no. I mean, there's no reason to be doing that. They're not going to be setting up either. Like, Mara's just going to be whippy. There's literally no reason for this, Rec Customs. Nvidia off the 21's been very nice. Yeah, I mean, I could throw the 20 on there. I don't use the 20 very much. It's usually just the 10 because the 10's going to give us really everything we need to know, like this. Like I was talking about with you guys in that video. But team, we do have a lot of slackers on here on the like button. It is a public stream today, so make sure you guys are hitting that. Help spread these streams out to more people. I'll do that announcement a little later again as we get closer to market open. Hopefully you guys had a good 4th of July too. Don't do anything stupid. Hopefully you guys all have your fingers too. Kava. Let's see what's happening with Kava. Yeah, slow grind up. Don't really want it. I think after today, I mean, going through tickers this weekend, there's going to be a lot of good stuff. I didn't really do anything this week. We had the Tesla. I mean, what else did you really need after the Tesla ran multi-thousands of % for you guys? Like, really? Like, do you really need anything else? No. That was filthy. And there was Datadog. Where's Datadog at? Because that was another good one. Yeah, this was another great one here too. They're going to be whippy straight gambling on that. Yeah, I mean, if the crypto tickers are going to set up, I'm going to scream it, all of you. Like I'll just, like, on the private Twitter account, in the private streams, I'll just go googly-eyed on the crypto tickers. It's just not right now. There's no reason to be looking at the crypto tickers right now because one, Bitcoin's not setting up. You look at Bitcoin right now, it's getting manhandled to the downside. It is getting eaten back up a little bit here, but is this really a good setup to break to the upside? Absolutely not. So then when you look at the crypto tickers here, Mara getting hammered, MicroStrategy probably more than usual right here. That was a nasty trade. Riot probably the same thing, which I still like Mara. I'm still hunting for this thing to drop below this range, come down maybe into here, then break up, consolidate, give me the look that I need so I can hand everybody another multi-1,000% trade. It's just not right now. Palantir, no, no, not yet. Now, Costco, I mean, we can take a look at Costco. That actually doesn't look bad, Wayne. That's a good call. I mean, I was looking at this. It was kind of down flat here, but I mean, this was a good one. I should have hit this one. This one I don't remember seeing. There's some oil tickers that look good. Where's Oxy? No, actually, oh, they don't look good anymore. That's interesting. That's kind of why I wasn't taking them. And this week, again, guys, is not a week to be a hero. And even though we're talking about the nasty Tesla trade, when did we enter the Tesla trade? Last week. This was a last Wednesday or Thursday. When was this? Wednesday. So it's just riding the positions from last week into this week. Beto puts that I mentioned. Oh yeah, Beto is good. Those Beto puts are going to be filthy. Yeah, ES not really reacting here yet. So probably not a whole lot going to happen on the day trade front today. It's going to be a lot of ticker hunting, figuring out which are the next stocks that are going to explode before they do. But it's so easy. Like like it's so simple. Let me see. MRO. That I like. I feel like I had alerts on this. Maybe I don't. Now I do. Netflix, I have alerts on, but that's all-time high break, which will be fun if that wants to do it. These two are really good here. And then Crowd's another one I'm looking at. Salesforce, kinda, but it's not really the one I'm most focused on here. Yeah, MRO does not look bad at all. Let me see. How much time we got left until open? Yeah, we got a lot of time until open. You guys have tickers that you want to take a look at? Let me know. You guys have questions about anything? Also, let me know as well. It's probably going to be a slow day today. Most people are still probably very hungover from 4th of July, but that's fine. We're here trying to do some stuff. Make money. You guys are cranking the like button too. I appreciate it. Let's see. Yeah, crowd, okay. I mean, NFPU was interesting. Let me see if there's any other data that's coming out with it. There should be some other stuff getting released. Yeah, here we go. We had the non-farm payrolls up 206,000, consensus 200, unemployment rate higher at 4.1%. Average hourly earnings we didn't take a look at. What was the expectation? It was up 0.29%. What was the expectation? That's important. Up 0.3, so basically at expectations there. Average work week unchanged. US May payrolls revised to up 218,000. April revised to up 108,000. So these revisions are kind of nonsense here. Morning team, what's up, Rycac? How you doing? ADSK overextended? Probably is. If we got to ask the question, it probably is. Little bit. That's 50-50. I mean, you could see these in some cases starting to get those breaks to the upside, but I mean, it might need some help. It might need some help. So yields are down. I mean, the 10-year was at like 4.8. No, wait. I thought it was. Why was where was I seeing the 10-year at 4.8? Maybe I'm just smoking crack over here. I don't know. I thought I saw something that said the 10-year was at 4.8. I could be completely wrong though. It never was at 4.8, I don't think. Yeah, I'm smoking crack. That must have been something else. Should be a low volume day in the market. Usually becomes a bullish day. Yes and no. I mean, with NFP, you could see a little bit more action taking place. But yeah, typically after a holiday like yesterday, you would definitely see some lower volume there too. Let's see. What else we got? Yeah, day trades today going to be low probability. I probably wouldn't be doing that. I mean, you guys know the deal. You guys should be putting a lot more of your focus on swing trades than day trades anyway. I don't know why people love to try and come in. Altria, I think we've looked at. I don't know why people like to come in and think that they're going to be like, oh yeah, let's just try to day trade 1 minute time frame. No. do this. This is what you need to be doing. Like, just focus on this. Listen to the watch list of stocks that are about to explode before they do, and you guys are gonna be just fine. Right. What about AMAT and AMAT? Those are two that I've had. Yeah, this was a good one. AMAT. I think that's the same thing. No, this was the one that was interesting here, though, that I gave you guys, but I never touched that one. Yeah, Altria. PM could be an interesting one. Philip Morris. Philip Morris actually looks interesting. I mean, I'm not going to trade it, but that could be one if you guys want another ad. Also, I have another VIX Insights research report coming out for you guys this weekend. That's going to be an awesome one. But again, when that premium Discord does get released at the end of August, VIX Insights is going to be a part of it too. So everybody that's already in the educational programs is going to get access to that Discord for free. And if you guys hop in now too, you guys are also going to get it for free. But we'll talk a little bit more on that probably near market open or something. Yeah, it's kind of, I mean, it's not mixed on the NFP, but it's more so like they're looking at the expectation of what the actual payroll growth was, and then it came in higher, but unemployment still went up. So it's really a game between, all right, are you going to take basically the actual numbers that were released, or are you going to look at the in relation to what the market was expecting? I think at this point, the reason, I mean, obviously the reason why we're seeing this green move a little bit here is because right now the market is just reacting off of the pure numbers. They're not really saying, oh, the expectations are kind of feeding in here. Selling off of these highs, yes, absolutely, but not selling off aggressively into the red. That's what the market's looking at. Forward, something to watch. Well extended beyond the 10. Well, if extended beyond the 10, I wouldn't be touching it. No, I'm not touching this. GM, where's GM? GM actually looks good. This is another really good one that we had recently too. Let's see what else I mean, Tesla. I mean, what else do you want from me on this one? That's just disgusting. That's just, I find stocks that are about to explode before they do, and then they do it. Very, very, very simple. Let's see. Small caps will start getting the bid, but for now, tech and chips, energy storage are your focus. Yeah, I mean, Marvel, I thought was looking interesting. Nah, it's just kind of slow grind up. On semi, no. AMD, maybe if it settles in. AMD, honestly, all right. Here's, all right, I'm gonna give you guys a little freebie here. AMD really reminds me of Tesla right now. Just letting you know. AMD reminds me of Tesla. What did I say in the YouTube video when I was breaking down the Tesla trade? Which technically I should have just said it was 3,000% instead of the 1,000% that everybody else got. But what's the important thing about AMD? It's the 10. AMD has, again, it has been trending down, but it's been whipping around this 10. It's when we start to see AMD's range tighten up and it starts to use the 10 as support. That's all right. Let's just look at what happened with Tesla. Look at this chart versus Tessie. Look, it's the same thing. Not that they like look the same. It's a cookie cutter. It's just the overall behavior of it. Comes down, pops up, whips around, not really doing anything, no rhyme or reason. And here, then you get that pop, consolidates, the range tightens up, using the 10 as support, and then blast off everybody, makes life-changing gains. Crowd, yeah, I am interested in Crowd. I'm going to be waiting for that all-time high breakout on Crowd. That's what I'm going to be doing on there. But AMD does remind me of Tessie. It may not behave like Tesla. Like this could just rip. But if it does set up really nicely, I mean, we could easily be in for another trade like this, Like these were all dirty AMD trades that we've been all over. So we'll see. But it does remind me of Tesla. But we called our shot on Tesla like 2 months ago, man. Like I've been saying, I was like, Tessie's going to give us a trade this year that's going to be absolutely epic. We just have to have enough patience to watch for when it's giving us the signs that it's going to do it. And here it is. Boom. So, all right, what do we got here? 40 minutes to go-ish until market open. Market coming down. Ooh, a little spicy. Yeah, today is really going to be a ticker hunting day, setting ourselves up for next week. I mean, this market, I believe, flashed all-time highs here. Oops, hold on. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff lagging. Where's Apple actually? Apple could be an interesting one if it settles in, which it's not, I don't think. No, that's just a slow grind up. This is just perfect textbook. AMD and SMCI are definitely targets. Yeah, I want to see AMD do basically what Tesla did. If that happens, oh, we're going to sling it. Uber's an interesting one. It's a little wonky. It's got a little too big of a range here. Close to it on Wednesday. On what daily, Taylor? All right. Is anybody still holding Tesla? Because I know Michael, I don't know where Michael is, but I know Michael grabbed the shares on the day of the breakout. So he's sitting at like a 1 to what, 19 risk to reward, 1 to 20. That's craziness. That means you risk 1% on your account, you make 20. That's insane, guys. If you held the whole position. Oh, all-time high. Yeah. Yeah. Well, on ES, it could be different on SPY because of rollover. Like ES versus SPY. No, we got it today at some point in the pre-market. I mean, it did hit it. It flashed it here. But yeah, the new VIX Insights research report this weekend is going to be really good for you guys. That one I wrote up yesterday. That's going to be fun. Oh, you guys are coming in on the like button here. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Let's see. Uber. What do we got? Yeah, let's go ticker hunting. Let's see. I might just start typing in tickers, see how they look. Roblox, no. Rivian, no. Netflix, I mean, here's the deal. Let's actually just talk about Netflix here. Netflix, I like these daily hammers. Those are good. So Netflix looks like it could easily make another big move higher. It just doesn't look perfect. It's good. This is like like a B minus setup here on Netflix. So looking at this, the only time that I would really want to take Netflix is an all-time high breakout. That's what I would look for. If it wants to settle in here, converge and flatline and really tighten up, I mean, then I can have some lower levels of interest that I would want to go for. But with this, I'm like, yeah, I mean, crowd is kind of the same deal here. Crowd looks very similar. So I probably won't do anything on crowd until above like 394.54. But Netflix does look interesting. Does Uber have a reaction to Tesla Robotaxi event? It should, but when is that? Has that already happened? LNG, liquid natural gas. Yeah, 10 does need to catch up on that one. Tesla puts 2 weeks out. What do you think? Do whatever you want, but it doesn't really matter. I handed this to you guys on a silver platter here. When I give you guys stocks that are about to explode before they do, and then they absolutely rip faces for us, it doesn't then mean after they run, you just automatically go and buy puts. I wouldn't do that. Could it come down? Sure. But here's the thing. That's not really the only reason why you're looking at, oh, I want Tesla puts 2 weeks out is, oh, it's up a lot. That's not a strategy. That's not back testable. That's not something like it's just full discretionary trading there. That doesn't really make any sense, Morgan. So, like, here's the thing. Why this is the way you have to think. Why would you want? Let's think about the two different options that we have here. Why would you then want to take puts on Tesla when, on the other hand, you could just find another one like this that's just gonna go boom? You see what I'm saying? It's like, well, why feel that you missed it and almost have that like animosity towards the ticker and want to buy puts on it versus just finding the next one that's gonna do this, which is, and I'll tell you right now, finding the next one that's going to do this is 10 times easier than one, you think it is, and two, trying to go out and just randomly buy puts on things that are already out. CTSH, little wonky. Yeah, you've talked about this one a lot. I don't really want it. I don't want that one. Like Netflix. Where's Google actually? Because Google was setting up. We nailed that. That was a good one. Like, I mean, everybody in there with me in the educational programs can tell you just like how easy it is to spot them. And then how easy it is to trade them as well. All right, what's ES doing? Nothing crazy here. What else do we have for data today? Do we have speakers or anything? No, that's it. 5:40 a.m. We had John Williams speaking in India. Jeez, he's up early over there. Finding a chart, not a great way to make money. Exactly. Like, why? Like, I don't know why you would want to do that. Tessie's still ripping. And here's the other thing too, Morgan. This is nothing against you. I'm just that probably where you are in your trading. That's a very amateur thing to do. Um, what I and you'll hear me a lot on these streams. I mean, I do these publicly for you guys Mondays and Fridays. But what I have blinders on and I just have tunnel vision on my setup. I don't care really about anything else. Like, yeah, we'll talk macro. We'll understand what's happening with the market because that gives us a better understanding of like how well these trades could fire off. But especially, I mean, for day trades too, it's like, why would I ever consider doing anything other than what works better than anything else that I've ever seen? Right? Like, think about it like that. Like, it's not up to me when I'm taking trades. It's up to the system. The system says, look, here's what we're looking at here. If it does XYZ, you execute and that's it. Your only job in the market is to be a steward of your system. Chuck, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Good morning. Good morning. Everybody filtering in. Make sure you guys are hitting that like button. Helps out a whole lot spreading these streams out, man. Shout out to you guys. I mean, you guys have been crushing it. Seeing your guys' gains on Tesla recently. Palo Alto, Datadog, like it's been absolutely nuts. If you have a feeling about a trade, don't trade unless the setup is there on the chart to confirm. Exactly, Ralph. Exactly. ES whipping around, Google. And again, you guys are going to hear me say this a lot. Like people will bring up tickers and I'll either say, I don't really like it or I sort of like it. But a lot of the time I'm just going to be like, no, next one, because it just doesn't fit what I want to do because what looks good. Let's put it this way. Stocks that are about to explode, pretty much, I would say 80% of the time are going to look the exact same before they make the giant move every time. So if it's not going to look like that, why would I go near it? Because you have to think about capital preservation. If you're going to sit there like screwing around and then like getting chopped up, well, you're not going to be able to capitalize on these as well as you could. That's the point. It's the capital preservation element of it that people just don't think about. Get flat, snipe, climb, get flat again. Yeah, stock go up, stock go flat, stock start going up again. You buy it, you make a bunch of money, and then all the swing kings are happy. That's how we do it. But I will on the new Twitter account, Short the VIX 2. I will have some more chart setups up there for you guys today, breaking some down. Palo Alto wants another round. I think it does, man. I think it does. I don't know if I'm gonna do it though. Like it does look good. Palo Alto right here does look kind of nasty. I would love the 10 to catch up. Like that's what I really want to see on Palo Alto. We had such a good trade in here off it. We actually had two. The first one was I mean, it was I scaled out at around 150% and then like sold the rest of them at like break even. And then this one was the 600%er. Facebook, we can take a look at that one. Facebook was a fun one on this break. I mean, this was a nice one. It doesn't look that big, but I mean, this ran to a what? 1 to 2. The options went pretty nuts on that one. This one I'm not really interested in right now. Not all that interested in Facebook just yet. But yeah, shout out to Wayne, man. I mean, we're gonna talk about Wayne a decent amount, I think, in a couple of these streams. You guys, I think, have all seen Wayne's struggles over the years, and seeing what Wayne was able to do over this last week and a half with Tesla, is just like absolutely amazing to see. Like, congratulations, Wayne. You deserve it, buddy. I think the number was like he turned like $75 into 2,800. Like that's the point of what we do here. Like being able to increase the margin of error and able to hit those high risk to reward trades that are just going to absolutely blast off for you guys. And it's so, so, so simple. Like there's nothing simpler out in the market in terms of trading strategy. There just isn't. Like there really isn't. MTB, is that M&T Bank? They let me get 16 grand taken from me one time. That actually doesn't look bad. I just don't want to trade banks, you know? I mean, where's KRE? KRE's probably doing all right with yields coming down. JP Morgan, how's that looking? JP Morgan was actually an interesting one. I don't know. It could get spicy. I mean, we've got what? 30 minutes to go until open. Nvidia, New Street Research downgrades to neutral from buy, price target 135. So we got an Nvidia downgrade over here. Market's coming down. Where is Nvidia? Is that losing what it's doing in the pre-market here? Yeah, Nvidia's down almost 1% here. But it's like $1. It's not really a big deal. So we'll see. I mean, I'm gonna just keep feeding you guys stocks that are about to explode before they do, and all of you are gonna continue printing crazy amounts of money. IEP looks interesting. Isn't that Icon? Yeah. That actually, I mean, that already broke. I wouldn't touch that now. That's kind of how I'm looking at Salesforce. Daniel, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Daniel, what'd you? Oh, Daniel, you might be holding. Or no, I think Daniel's out of Tesla now, unless you're still holding, and that's gonna be absolutely insane. Um, yeah, IEP already went. That's has a very similar look to Salesforce, where it already went. Am I trading NFP? NFP already happened. Congrats on anyone holding Tesla. Yeah, I mean, dude, what else do you guys want from me? Like, here you go. I just prove this every single day for you guys. Here you go. Boom. Finding stocks that are about to explode before they do. I know we look for the big move in consolidation, but does it work the same as a big move down then consolidates? Yes, but that's going to be really when the market in general is trending down, which we are not right now. Like, I did it on Tesla for you guys like a couple months ago. This one, it was, I think it was this right here. Because this is when I had this is going into CPI. I had some Tesla puts and then Uber calls, and my Tesla puts went 450%, and my Uber calls also went about 450% as well. Oh, you closed it Wednesday morning. Uh, but yeah, Zapata. Yeah, I wouldn't. I mean, there's really no reason. Like when the market's trending like this and it's still moving up, there's no reason to be like, oh, let's just trade downside. Are you too late on CRM? Yeah. I wanted it to hang on for today, like just flatline going into next week, but it looks like it already broke. If this thing gets whacked today, sure, that's fine. But there was this level right here. There were 3 levels you could have taken CRM off of. I just didn't want any of them. But yeah, we were talking about this one, but it could go if you're still in it from the trade from here. I mean, you're good to go, but I'm not really gonna be doing anything on that. Jen, let's see what that one is. What do you got for us here, Cole? Gen Digital. Yeah, Cole, you're really going in for these like tech services companies, like these smaller ones that I haven't heard of before. Interesting. Yeah, well, TTD is an interesting one. I took a starter on it and just sold it. It was kind of being a little wonky. So I'm probably going to burn this one because like these setups aren't like they're good, but they're not perfect. I want something to look like a Tesla with the 650% Palo Alto. Like I want them to look like that when we start to go for them. ES moving down a little. I mean, I'm not going to be day trading today. I mean, unless we have a full day today. So, I mean, maybe I'd get something with futures. The way I trade those reversals that I taught you guys, I might do that. But like for the normal, like 18 winning months in a row day trading strategy I teach you guys, this candle ruins that. So we're not going to have anything today on that one. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Alfie. How you doing, buddy? Look at Tesla, man. Look at this beast. Woo! So the Swing King strikes again, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. Ooh, that's not the right one. And we're coming into market open. What do we got? 27 minutes here. Again, those of you guys filtering in right now, make sure you guys are hitting that like button. It helps out a whole lot with the algos. Oh, and make sure you guys are following that new Twitter account. For those of you guys that aren't, I mean, I've been throwing you guys some gems on that account, breaking down the trades, exactly what I'm looking for, entries, exits, everything. So if you guys aren't following that one and have notifications turned on yet, I just threw that link in the live chat for all of you guys that aren't on there. Because the original Twitter account, I just deactivated it. Like the one with like 28,000 followers, that one is no longer around. I want this one. This one's gonna be fun. Nvidia downgrade. Yeah, it did get downgraded. AV go after the Nancy Pelosi news. Is it moving? I don't know. I mean, if there's no setup, I don't care, right? So no setup, I don't care. See? Very simple. For those of you guys that are new, I have blinders on when I go into the market. I don't really care about like all of the other, like if it doesn't look perfect and it doesn't follow exactly what I need to see, that has happened a million times in a row of just stocks that are about to explode before they do, and there's no reason to take it. Just think logically. Like, okay, if we need to see a chart look a certain way that we know is going to give us a much higher probability of it being right very close about to make a giant move, then if it doesn't look like that, then we don't touch it. It's very, very, very simple and logical, which is something. Oh, you're already in? Yeah, nice. I mean, this move right here was good. This break on AVGO. That was right before earnings, though, so I wouldn't have touched that. The ES moving down a little bit here, even with that unemployment coming up news. What are yields doing? Yeah, yields got bought back up a little there. Let's see. Yields moving back up. They're selling some bonds here. You got a good one? ACLS? I feel like you've told me about this one before. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of this. This would be a shares trade. Like, if it breaks here, this double top-ish, maybe. We got it right here, too. Oh, my God. That actually could be dirty. Yeah, I mean, all right. I mean, I'll bite. I mean, if I do it, it's going to be with very, very low risk. Because I'd play it up to, like, 167. Something like that. You mainly look at futures today. You think you still have a starter position on TTA? It was only down a few dollars at worst. Yeah, I mean, that's the other thing too. Like the winners are so big and the losers are so small. Intel, keep watching it. All right. I mean, maybe it's like I feel like the Joker right now. It's like maybe I'll break my one rule. It's not really breaking. I mean, if this breaks up, the problem is you have this right here too, 32, 40. So if it breaks here and it wants to move up $1, sure, that could be fun, but that's not looking for explosion. That's just down flat nothingness. And you're kind of headed into earnings here. Maybe it gets a little earnings run. Wait, when is this? July 25th? What time's the employment data? Is that NFP? That was 8:30 a.m. Eastern. So that already happened. So we had 4.1% unemployment versus the expectation, and last time at 4, which was that's kind of what we expected. We were talking about that, where those initial claims were heading higher, the continuing claims were heading higher. It was front running a higher unemployment number there. The average hourly earnings was basically the same. It was a little lower. It was like 0.29% versus the expectation of 0.3. I would probably expect that those expectations were actually 0.29. Like, it came in right at expectations. It's just the decimals on Market Watch were not showing 0.29. You like ARM? There are actually a couple that I want to take a look at here. ARM's okay. It's not my favorite. It's not the worst. Wait, hold on. Where is this? Oh, wait. I know where I gotta go. It's over here. Yeah. I mean, what else were we taking a look at this week that I liked? Oh, Robinhood. How's that look? No, I don't want it. I don't want that one. There are a couple. I mean, with so much money in money markets sitting on the sidelines. See, money markets, I don't think that's really a good indication of money on the sidelines. It's more so an indication of like M2. Because, like, as money supply goes up, it all has to go somewhere. So in general, when there's more money in the system, you're gonna see money markets go up. It's not necessarily that, like, there's like money on the sidelines, because it's technically invested. Like, it is invested. It's not cash. It's like cash equivalents. I don't know. There's some things about that I just like slightly agree with, but also don't agree with the money market funds. Semis look really good. We can look at SMH. SMH, I mean, hasn't been looking great. Ooh, yeah, SMH is roaring back. AMD, we talked about AMD. I think this is my spidey senses tingling right here. You look at this Tesla chart right here on this trade that I gave you guys, all of you guys that were in Swing Kings. This was on the watch list, not this past Sunday, but the one before. And the entry was last Wednesday. So this was another dirty one. But with that being said, with this look on Tesla here, this move down, comes up, flies around the 10 a little bit, then starts to use it as support and tightens up. AMD does look like it could do that here. Like if AMD wants to pop up, it's doing basically the same thing. If it starts to consolidate and tighten up its range going into a 10 EMA here, oh my God, AMD can make a massive move up through this like 174 and then all the way up to like 187. Like we could have another trade very, very similar to Tesla on AMD. So those of you guys in Swing Kings, again, I'm going to be hunting that one. If that starts to set up, I'm going to start screaming from the rooftops at you guys on that one. So we will see. But we can do the announcement quickly. I mean, well, we'll probably talk about it a couple times during the stream. Those of you guys know, I have a premium Discord that's going to be launching for you guys at the end of August. It's going to include VIX Insights, every single one of the educational curriculum. So the 18 winning months in a row day trading course, the Swing Kings course. You're going to get the watch list. You're going to have the community, everything. So what I'm doing now is all of you guys that are already in the educational programs, you guys are going to get the Discord for free. You're not going to have to pay the monthly cost. So if you guys are interested in that and you don't want to have to pay monthly for it, I shouldn't be doing that. I know I should not be doing this. This is like such a freaking insane deal, but I am giving you guys a 40% off code to hop in now, get both of them to be able to watch the private streams and everything. The private streams now, all the courses, the watch list of stocks that are about to explode before they do. The code is STV40. It's pinned to the top of the live chat. If you guys do take advantage of that, you're going to get the Discord completely for free when it launches. So you guys know I like to give you guys insane deals. So this is another one of those insane deals. If you guys want to take advantage of it, go for it. If not, I mean, you guys see how much success we have. So here you guys go here. There's that link. Make sure you guys are hopping in if you guys are interested. So you don't have to pay monthly when I release it at the end of August. So there you guys go. Well, let's see here. We got what? 19 minutes to go until open. MSI and NOC. NOC, I feel like I know. Northrop. It's interesting. It looks more so like a bear flag, but it is hanging on to the 10 here, which I do kind of like. That's not bad. LMT. Usually with these, I like to have a catalyst for it, like tensions heating up, things like that. RTX probably is down, isn't it? Yeah, RTX down. And then what was the other one? So if you've already paid for the courses, we're in the Discord for free. Yes. Yeah, all of you guys that are already in, and those of you guys who grab it now are gonna get the Discord for free. Everybody else that doesn't take advantage of it is going to be subject to a pretty high monthly cost. So I'm giving you guys the opportunity now to be able to get it for free and have a 40% off discount, which is insane. I really shouldn't be doing that, but I'm nice to you guys. Like MSI, that was the other one. MSI I like. Motorola. Oh, we've talked about this one. I mean, maybe up in here. That would be an all-time high breakout. So that code is STV40. And then again, you guys have full access to me once you guys hop in. Like once you guys have start going through the videos and asking questions, I'm just always around to answer whatever you guys need to know. Yeah, so if you guys are already in, like Chuck said, you guys are all good. The one thing I might do, this is the one thing you might not have access to. I might have a little private chat for those of you guys that joined the mastermind. That is something I'm working on how to do. But you're also going to get the VIX Insights research reports. You're going to get everything. Let's see here. Boom and MRO setting up nicely as well. Boom, I feel like we talked about, but we didn't. Is that skipping the wait list? Yes. Yeah, you guys can just skip the wait list right now. If you guys want to. There you go. I mean, I'll probably send out another email to those of you guys on the wait list this weekend, breaking it down again. But there's a lot of you guys on that wait list now. There's like 100. Let me look. Let me look. There is 105 of you guys on that wait list right now. So make sure you guys are hopping in. You guys missed that deal. It's not, I mean, I'm giving you guys the craziest deal of all time. Like it's insanity. Here's what I might do. So I'm giving you guys the 40% now. It might only be 20% in August. I don't know. I mean, the deal's crazy the way it is now. TSEM. Is that Tower or Taiwan? I think that's Tower. Yeah. I think I own this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I own this. I kind of like this one. It's not the best, but Palo Alto, I'm really interested in. What are other companies like a Palo Alto or a CRM? First time here. Good morning. Good morning, James. How you doing, buddy? Great offer, TBH. Yeah, I mean, anybody that's been in those educational programs, seen the list of stocks that are about to explode before they do. You want to let people know what your guys' experience has been like in there? I mean, look at this. This is just ridiculous. I'm handing you guys the best trades in the market every week. Yeah, ES is flickering around. This is gonna be again, this week is all ticker hunting. So there's not much going on. Can't wait. There we go, James. Yeah, so I'm live publicly for you guys here every Monday and Friday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'm live privately for those of you guys in the group there in the courses. Love being a part of this group. Amazing advice and has taught me to be patient. Mo, shout out to you, buddy. I know you've been having a lot of success. Like, I've never seen you guys send me the gains that you guys have been sending me. It's ridiculous. Oh, actually, I like these morning summaries from Fast Stock News. U.S. Job growth slows in June. Unemployment steady at 4%. I mean, it's at 4.1, but suggesting the Fed could control inflation without causing a recession. Shanghai state firms purchased Tesla Model Y. I don't really care about those. Dude, also, oh my God, Romeo, 60% gain on the portfolio last month. I love it. There you go, Romeo. Google, yeah, Google's interesting. It's not the craziest setup, but it's not the worst. HUBS. Let's take a look at HubSpot. I think we've looked at this. I might have alerts on this already. I don't, but I like it. I don't, but I like that one. Yeah, that's awesome, Romeo. It's gonna get even better too. Like, you guys think that it's like just when we think that there's not gonna be any more crazy ones. Here you go, Desi. What's this sitting at right now in the pre-market? A 1 to 21 risk to reward. I don't know if Michael's in here, but I'm pretty sure Michael is holding all of his shares from this entry down here. That's nasty. I mean, I flipped it up into here, played it up to this, made like what 250, 300%. I mean, I'm fine with that. And then I was considering whether to hold the Tesla or the Palo Alto, and I held the Palo Altos, which went 650%, which was great, but the Tessies would have been even better. You got Chef on the break. Yeah, Alfie, you've been crushing it too. Alfie only trades shares and just murders it. Oh, there you. There you go, Alfie. There you go, bud. That's a great one. Let's see. Oh, the seagulls are out today. It's like rainy. It's like all rainy over here today. Let's see. You guys are crushing the like button too. Thank you guys. Morning. Good morning, Nate. Good morning, Nate. Let's see. That's so dirty, man. I just like. Yeah, I'll probably on that new Twitter account make sure you guys have notifications on. Which I feel like I say that sometimes, and then you guys don't do it, and then I put something out that's epic on there, and you're like, "Wait, where was it?" I'm like, "I told you, turn the notifications on." You like trading shares sometimes? I like trading the shares too. I mean, we had a stretch of time. I think it was March, end of March through May, where I was trading a lot of shares, and it went really like the ACB trade was all shares. That was a 1 to 16 risk to reward. That one was really good. It was a front run. I see. I gotta stop saying it's a front run. Now I can say smash the likes. You can, Mo. Every Monday and Friday, you can say it. All right. Okay. We got 11 minutes to go until open. What do we got? Yeah. So Mondays and Fridays we'll be live here, team, and then again Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Those of you guys that are in the group, we're just gonna be still slaughtering over there with you guys. Good morning, Vix. What's up, Benjamin? How you doing, man? It'll be a fun day today, I think. It'll be a fun day of ticker hunting. I'm very excited for next week, depending on what happens with the market here. It does look like it wants to lose a little bit of steam because think about it like this. What's the catalyst now? What I think about Micron, I'm pretty sure it's already moved. No, I don't like Micron. Think about the catalyst for the market to continue higher right now. What is the catalyst? Rate cuts, I guess. Like, we kind of already know what to expect with the cuts. So we're gonna get into earnings season soon. I think we're gonna be getting into earnings season in a little bit. I think, right? Yeah, we should. Happy Friday. Good morning, Jamie. Happy Friday to you as well. Yeah, hopefully you guys had a good 4th of July. Hopefully you guys have some fun plans for this weekend. I got a lot of work I got to do for you guys. We got that VIX Insights research report coming out. That's a fun one. It has to do with Japan. And what's going on here? That's so bad. This is so bad for Japan. There's only all right. So I'll give you guys a hint at what we're talking about. Japan only has 2 options of what they can do right now. One of them is going to really deteriorate the relationship between Japan and the United States, and the other one is rolling the dice, and it's fun. So that research report is going to be fun. But yeah, once we do end up launching the Discord, those VIX Insights research reports are going to be included in that as well. Let's see. What are we going to get today, huh? What are we going to get today? Anything going to set up nicely for us? I mean, Netflix is interesting. Not the best, but it's not the worst. TER, what we got in the other day. Teradyne. I mean, this sounds like a biotech. Oh, no, it's not. That's not bad. That's a nice break. It's not the cleanest, though. Alfie, I would assume with the amount of positions that you have, there's no way that you can get the full 1% or 2% risk on these trades, which is good. I mean, if you're going to go with like 0.3, 0.4, 0.5% and spread it out a little bit more, I mean, that's a good way to do it. I'm pretty sure you are on the Tessies. Yeah, exactly. Alfie, how many trades are you in? You can take more trades if your risk per trade is going to be a lot lower. Because I know Alfie trades shares, and sometimes with shares, if you want to get 1% risk, you have to almost or more than full port stuff just by the way that the chart is setting up. But good morning, Cole. Cole's been killing it too. Dude, Cole's like 18, never knew anything about trading and is coming in and just Cole now has the skills that like I wish every 18-year-old knew. Like he's set for life now. Cole has the tools and the strategy to just print money in the market now, and he's good. I know Cole was asking me the other day. He was like, "Well, I kind of want to learn some like others, not in terms of trading." He was like, "I want to make money in other ways," and I was like, "No." I was like, "No. You've got a golden ticket right now. Oh, use leverage. It's risky, but it's only risky with gap down risk. That's why." Palo Alto does keep setting up. I just don't know if I'm going to do it. It does look pretty nasty. Should we go round 2 on it? Maybe. Round 2, another 600 plus percenter on Palo Alto. That'd be fun. My future is bright. Your future is bright, Cole. The future of everything is looking pretty bright right now, especially with what's happening. Dude, my Twitter feed is just filled with politics right now, and it's hilarious. Because you see people just making like such stupid statements. Like, you can really. All right, here's one thing that I don't know if I'm going to say it. Fuck it. At this point, if you decide to trust anything that mainstream media or let's call it the mainstream left narrative at this point, you're probably a sheep and not going to make it. Oh no, everything's fine. It's perfectly fine. Everything's okay. And it's like, dude, we've known this for years. Dude can't think. What do you think about Apple making all-time highs? Do I own any? I actually don't own Apple. And I don't know if have I told you guys my selfish versus selfless remark yet? Have I gone through that? Because that's a nice one. So when you say golden ticket, it reminds me of the new Willy Wonka movie. The man actually looks too much like you. Oh, really? Have I told you guys my selfish versus selfless theory or narrative yet? That's a really good one that you guys probably should know. Morning, SUV and gang. What's up, Christopher? How you doing? I feel like I might have. All right, what do we got? 5 minutes to go until open here, ladies and gentlemen. We don't have to do it. It's a good one, though. You guys should know this. You mean the Mockingbird media? Dude, they're all bad. Everything's bad. Nope. Oh, okay. I mean, I'll explain it to you guys right now. What most people in the world, I would say, do is they try to act selfless in terms of either their voting or their everyday actions, when we actually should have more people acting more selfish. Here's why. If you're gonna operate in your life where you're gonna try and take care of your own best interests, you know exactly what the problems that you're facing are, what could solve them, and things like that. But if you're gonna try to act selfless and act in a way where you're gonna try to help, let's just say, like, other groups, other people, other situations, income brackets, things that you aren't necessarily in, it's going to be very difficult for you to actually get a good understanding of what those problems are. And the way that you're going to get that data of what those problems are from an unreliable source. And it's going to be most of the time wrong. Because you're not in the group. You don't know exactly what the problems are and what's actually going to solve it. So you have all of the people that are trying to act selfless that are actually feeding into the problem. Whereas if you just had everybody acting in their own selfless, you'd have a lot better things happening, because you're depending on, like, unelected people and the media to tell you what's actually wrong, which is not. And if you were to act selfish, you could actually have a better ability to hold everybody accountable, whether you're on the left or the right. So be more selfish is really what the overall idea is. Like the selfless thing that you see, where people are like you've seen it all over the place. It's very strange. It ends up doing a lot more harm than good. Act in your own self-interest. That's what you need to do. Welcome, everybody. All right, we got 3 minutes to go until market open. There's such a thing as being too close to a problem to see your own bias. I would disagree with that. Because if you are experiencing the problem, that's, you know what the problem is. People that aren't experiencing the problem aren't going to know what the problem is. So then you end up in this giant circle of, like, you being told what it is, which is most of the time not what it is, and then doing things that just other people basically want to fit into a narrative. So you end up being a sheep. Which, I mean, I could go further and say that's exactly what they do because of, like, people I know, but we don't have to go into that. All right, guys, make sure you guys keep smacking that like button on the way in. Let's have a good day here, huh? Let's see. Palo Alto setting up again. I just want the 10 to catch up. Tessie, another gem for you guys. Anybody still holding the Tessie, I mean, good for you guys. Oh, also, I think there's a couple of days left on that 80% off Apex code, or that Apex sale that they're doing. So if you guys need more funded accounts for futures, here you guys go. East Coast, you're making my point for me. There. So yeah, there's that link to the 80% off deal on Apex funding for futures. If you guys need some more Apex accounts, there you guys go. It's 1 day to pass too. So I mean, by Monday, you guys could have an extra $50,000 to $300,000 in funding. Am I in any trades? No, I've got nothing here. No, I'm ticker hunting. That's what I'm doing. I think AMD has the ability to pull a Tesla for us, but it might take a week or two. But that's going to be a really, really, really dirty one, I think. So market coming back up, nothing crazy. We got 18 seconds to go until open. If you look around and don't see any sheep, it's because you're the sheep. Well, that's true. The summer and the fall is going to be hilarious to watch. It's going to be wild. I'm excited to just watch. All right, ding, ding, ding. Market open, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. All right, Tessie chopping around just below 250. Palo Alto down. I'd actually like, hold on. We got Intel moving. Oh, that actually, oh man, are we going to freaking do this? It is breaking. I don't know. It's so early. And it's not the setup that I usually trade. So it's close. I don't know. That's an interesting one. I don't know. Tessie running up. You're welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Finding stocks that are about to explode before they do. That's my gift, and I share it with all of you. ARM, we can take a look at ARM. ARM, I think, has already moved. No, I don't want ARM. 35% on AMD. Well, there you go. Wayne, you got to be careful, buddy, because with the gains that you've already had, like, I'm not touching AMD until it gives me the look of Tesla. But I did say, what did I say? I did say that this thing could just go. It's difficult to manage multiple funded accounts at once. Or do you just use the day trading strategy to pass the evaluation? You can, yeah. The one day to pass stuff. But for the managing multiple accounts, you can have a trade copier on there. So I would do just a quick Google search or a quick YouTube search on the trade copiers for the different platforms. Some of them are free, that are just going to copy it between multiple accounts. And then you really don't have to worry about anything. So no, it's not difficult. You can operate on like one account and it copies it to the other accounts and you're good to go. But AMD's trending up here. Intel, not really interested in. I am interested in Netflix. I want to see how this one looks. Dude, that one's setting up. I'm getting a little googly-eyed on Netflix here. We've had some really, really, really great Netflix trades over the last couple of months here. And I think we could be setting up for another really good one. I think we could. So that could be very interesting. Google, probably breaking out to all-time highs here. Wayne, you're probably doing well on those AMDs. Yeah, Google broke again. Rick, flush continuation. Oh, the strip club indicator. The strip club recession indicator getting whacked. Yeah, this is nasty. That's a nasty move down that Rick has made. Oh, Rick, Intel, you have January 25. That's not a bad move. I just don't want it here. It's not clean. Holding the 10. Here's the thing, like, if Netflix, all right, pay attention, everybody. 120% on, dude, the fact that Wayne is coming in here, you guys have all seen Wayne's struggles over the years. Wayne, dude, congratulations, man. It is so simple. Beto puts up 3,700%. Holy shit, Ralph. GLD's breaking 220. Gold moving. Is silver moving as well? It should be. Yeah, silver's moving as well. The only issue is you trade futures inside of TradingView. Yeah, I wouldn't trade inside of TradingView. I know some people like to do it. I don't. I like to just do it on the brokers. It's a lot easier. Because think about it, from like the 18 winning months in a row, like day trading strategy, it's not like you have to be quick. You're setting up the orders and waiting for them to hit. So it's not like you have to be like, oh no, you're all good to get. It's very quick. Bonds, I think they're coming back up. I think they're oh no, there they go. Yeah, somebody's buying bonds a little bit. There was no big auctions this week either. Let's see. No, I do not watch the Nigerian currency. Sorry, I don't watch that one. That one I do not watch. But yeah, shout out to you, Wayne. That just goes to show how powerful what we do around here is. And I don't want to say it like that because I don't want to hate on Wayne. But Wayne, you have had your struggles, but seeing you come in now and having like a crazy amount of success is just awesome. Like the screenshot that I saw from Wayne was he was up 6,000% on his account. That's ridiculous. All right, Netflix back into the green. That is one that I am interested in. Where's Palo Alto? Dude, I love what this is doing. If this gets like two more days of this, I'm gonna get really googly eyed on it, and we could be hunting another big trade. Palantir's over 26. Fucking Palantir. I might just bite the bullet and buy like 20 grand of it and then shut my mouth. Here comes Palo Alto a little bit. I mean, I can throw an alert here just to have it. You sold your last option at 8,000% or 8 grand. Wayne, that is epic. Oh, Josh tracks it for his macro. I could look at it, but I haven't seen it. I think Wayne is a great example on being persistent and even more open to learn. It's an example for all of us. I agree, Eddie. I agree. And for all you guys filtering in here too, I don't know if you guys have heard the announcement yet, but I am going to be opening up that the premium Discord at the end of August. You guys are going to get everything, all of the educational curriculums, all of the watch list of stocks that are about to explode before they do, the VIX Insights research reports. I know you guys really enjoy the community aspect of trading, so we're going to get that going. But this is the kicker. If you guys are in any one of the educational programs or hop into any one of my courses now, you guys are going to get the Discord for free. You're not going to have to pay monthly. So I do have, and this is, I shouldn't be doing this for you guys, but I'm nice and I want to make sure everybody has access to this. So I do have a 40% off deal for all of you. It's pinned at the top of the live chat. The code is STV40. I can throw the link in the live chat with you guys as well. So if you guys do take advantage of that 40% off deal, you guys are going to get the Discord for free when it releases, and you're never going to have to pay monthly. So those of you guys that are interested in like actually coming in, learning how to trade the proper way and making sure you have the tools that you need for long-term success. I mean, this is probably the best deal I've ever offered. 40 ACLS. Hold on. Amazon. Yeah, this one's going. Amazon pissed me off because of Bezos. It was Bezos selling into me. He was being an asshole. This is actually setting up again. This is all right. Bezos is probably done selling. So, I mean, I would be interested in this. Yeah, 8,000% on the Tesla. There you go. You got, why would you have Tesla puts when I gave you guys Tesla longs at 188.80? Look at Tesla. Look, come on. Let's be smart, guys. Finding stocks that are about to explode before is my gift. Don't fade me. Don't fade me. Boom. There you go. Super simple, man. ACLS is going here. That would be a shares trade. All right. Amazon's going a little bit. Amazon is going a little bit here. Bezos isn't selling anymore. I actually don't hate that. Is the selling at 200? It's done. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. I mean, it's the selling at, maybe not. I mean, maybe it's Bezos' brother now coming in selling stuff. Tessie's down. ZS is going. Zscaler. We talked about this one from down in here. All right, I do have an alert on Amazon. I just want to see what the premiums are like because I would sling a little on Amazon. That's actually a good chain. That's actually a really good chain. Up 31% on it now. There you go. There you go. Amazon got a good chain on it. Where's ES? Moving up. At Chewy, I didn't take a look at Chewy. This is garbage. I don't want anything to do with this. If it looked like this, I'd be interested, but no. All right, hunting Amazon. I do like Netflix. ACLS is going. Let's see. You just slung some 0 DTs on Amazon 205s. Too cheap to know. That's a big move. Intel has earnings July 26th. Yes. Where is Intel? I mean, if Amazon comes up and breaks 244, yeah, that's where I'm going to look for it. If it doesn't go there, I'm not going to take it. Netflix. Oh my God. I'm getting a little googly eyed on Netflix now. I kind of like this one. I do kind of like this one. But again, yeah, make sure you guys are taking advantage of that deal. It's pinned to the top of the live chat. The 40% off is there. That's like the most insane deal I've ever offered and will offer. And you're going to get the Discord for free. Like, that's insane. You're welcome. I'm too nice to you guys. Hey, market popping here. Thanks, Jack. I have to run. Have a great weekend. Daniel, you too, buddy. You too, buddy. Yeah, you're never going to get trades like the Tesla or anything anywhere else. It's just not going to happen. It's just not going to happen. Tessie. That's probably done, though. 1 to what? To the top. Where did it open? 1 to 20. You're welcome, ladies and gentlemen. All right. If Amazon wants to go, we're going to be all over that one. Same deal with Netflix. Actually, where's Crowd? Crowd, little googly eyed on that one. That could be a really fun one. Done for the day. There you go, Meowser. What else we got? What was it? Netflix is the other one. Yeah. It's getting there. Netflix is definitely getting there. Definitely getting there. All right, let's see. Dude, that 200 area on Amazon is still being... You got into ES before open? Why are you trading pre-market, dude? On an NFP day? That's crazy. That's I wouldn't be doing that. All right, here it comes a little. I could grab a starter, but it's not perfect, you know? Let's see. Just a little placeholder on it. I don't know. I'm probably just gonna wait for the clean break. Crowd looks good. And Netflix is starting to look good. Ooh, this could be fun. Next week could be nasty. I mean, if ES continues here, it is still very early. I don't think we really have any more data left today either. We have no data left today. These premiums on Amazon are a little weird. They like weren't moving, which is strange. Yeah, here it comes a little. Market trending higher. Netflix could do it today. Netflix could do it here. That would be fun. Ralph, I just saw that come through. That's dirty. That's a crazy one. Probably gonna be that there. Yeah, Amazon's getting there here. You don't have Bezos coming in and screwing around. Yeah, here it comes. Here it comes. Here comes the sun. Yeah, and again, team, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithms over here. And then again, you guys have that deal for you, 40% off. You're gonna get access to everything that we release at the end of August for free. It's I if you don't take advantage of that deal, you gotta be a little nuts. All right, let's see. Amazon. Yeah, there it is right there. Whoa, you get hit there? Ooh, little pop lock drop there on Amazon. Yeah, you fat fingered those, buddy. I saw that. Market came down there. That's what that was. I don't know if I'm going to take that. It's not perfect. It's so early in the day, too. Maybe I could take it with smaller size. I don't know. I kind of want to size it. That's what I want to do. It's going to be tougher, though. Palo Alto looks like it's going to retest the 10. Good. Good. Let that thing come down. Yeah. Oh my God. If we get another Palo Alto, guys, holy jeez, that's going to be disgusting. Whoa. Drilling. What's going on here? I don't see anything on the news feed. That just got whacked. It like comes up, approaches the highs, and then just got slaughtered. Yeah, I don't have the Amazon. Palo Alto, I don't have anything right now. Crowd is getting little nasty over here. Netflix, did you get hit down? Oh, dude. I think Netflix is just going to be filthy next week. You bought 35 NVIDIA puts when it flashed green. If you guys want to make stupid decisions in the market, I mean, you can do it. Like, it's not up to me. Like, it really isn't. Intel moving? Is that 50? 31.55? I'd get longer dated on this. That would be what I would do. Like August. That's how I would trade this. Even though, I mean, you got earnings coming up. That's not typically what I would go for. Hubs wants it. Dude, that's nasty. Alfie. What's up, buddy? Did I take anything? No. No. I was looking at Amazon for a second when it was baiting, but then the market just got hammered. So I didn't want to touch that one yet. Amazon could be a fun one for next week. Like if it flatlines like this, great. But I am really interested in Netflix now. Netflix has got my undivided attention. If we get that all-time high breakout on Netflix, make room in your trading accounts for another 500 to 1,000%er. AMD, how's that doing? Good. I want AMD to do this because AMD is looking very similar to Tesla. If we can get that potential, like that very similar setup, that'll be good. CRM was one that we were talking about last week. Yeah, there you go on Salesforce. I mean, this was one that I was considering on Wednesday here, but I didn't really want to do it into NFP. It was breaking though. So if you guys are still in this one from down in here, you're crushing it. You are crushing it. Thoughts on Facebook? No thoughts on Facebook. I know what that chart looks like. I don't want it. It's not, again, think about exactly what the setup is, Tyler. And you only, again, a literal 5-year-old could execute these and find them. Keep it simple. If it doesn't look perfect, don't touch it. That's the name of the game. Less trades, more profits, guys. That's what you got to pay attention to. That's why everybody is having so much success because we have tunnel vision when we're approaching the market. We're going to have the most successful, like, private group of all time. I mean, we already do with you guys coming into the live streams and the from the courses, but it's going to get even better. crowd. Amazon's not doing it here. So I'm not touching that. Netflix. Yeah, CRM was another great call on my part there. Netflix, it might want it. It might want it. Let's see. Yeah, I got nothing here. It's coming back. ES kind of ate that up a little bit. Yeah. Red Customs. There you go. The problem with what you did there is it's fully discretionary. That's the issue with it. It's like, and that's what most people do in the market. You're gonna get burned at some point. I'm happy you made money, but if it's not based on a perfect system like what we have, I just would never touch it. It wouldn't make sense. Amazon still doesn't like 200. Maybe Bezos or his family's coming in or somebody else is coming in and selling. Bitcoin tried, couldn't even touch 57. I want Bitcoin into like the low 50s, high 40s. That could give us a really, really dirty setup on some of Mara MicroStrategy. 56, yeah. Yeah, I'm just waiting for perfect. Because what happens when we wait for perfect? Boom. Tessie. There you go. Handed to you all. If you miss the Tesla, you really got to take a good hard look in the mirror and think about what your goals are actually in the market. You really, at that point, you got to look and say, all right, well, there are these opportunities out there every single week that fire off that I hand you. You're missing them. Let's see. What are yields doing? Nothing crazy. Amazon trying 200 again. Tessie back to 245. Netflix coming. I just love. It's not perfect, but that's like B plus here. B plus on Netflix. That could just be filthy. You guys are crushing the like button today. Chanley, good morning, buddy. This is going to need a little more time. DJT July monthly's up 145% so far. Good work, Ralph. Yeah, I would expect DJT to be doing very well off of what's been happening. Yo, you have puts? That's interesting that DJT's coming down off of all the like good news that the Trump campaign's been getting. I mean, you got to take into account too, this company is garbage. Like Truth Social has like no revenue. Like Netflix back. What does this have to get to? 89, $4. It could do it today. It's possible that Netflix does it. It's unlikely. The market would really have to trend up, but Tessie's making a move here. Tessie is making a move. Apple pushing. Amazon's just been such an a-hole around 200. I think I might just leave it alone. Crowd, where's that? I'm looking for the all-time high breakout there. I mean, I might throw an alert right here on it. A little front run. DJT isn't a real company. It's really not. It really isn't. It's got what? Like $1 million to $3 million in revenue? Like, that's crazy. Market really ate that up there. That's some buyer stepping up big time on that thing. And this is why, I mean, if you're going to day trade today, I think you're being kind of stupid because this is what you're going to see out of the market. Like, it's just going to whip around on NFP day. I don't know why you'd want to try and day trade it. Palantir not looking bad. Fucking Palantir, man. This freaking thing. I mean, I'm making money. I just wish I had more, you know? I wish I had more. Let's see. You got 4 minutes left to go on this. CRM's another gem we called. Yeah. I'm trying to, I mean, where is it? How's it looking? Still going? Oh yeah. I mean, that one's another gem. Another gem there. Datadog, how's this looking? Datadog, another gem. Look at this, guys. Datadog ran for you guys a 1 of 9 risk to reward. What are you doing? Like, what are you doing? This is so nasty. We've had a really, really hot start to the end of last month and beginning of this month have been nuts. Tesla, Datadog, Salesforce, Facebook. What else? Palo Alto, 650% on that one. Netflix is making an attempt right off the 10. Here comes the market. Netflix gets wonky, though. You got to be careful with it. It's a great one for multi-100 percenters. That's for sure. We've done that a lot. I just want this to give me enough time to, tweet it. What's that? Facebook. I mean, I don't like Facebook at all. Facebook's ripping. Yeah, no interest on this one, though. This isn't the setup. Neo got killed. Oh, also, we have to take a look at Baba. This is down. Where's Yin? Yin down a lot. Whoa, Baba, what's going on with China here? Actually, Baba still's got it. If this can pull up a little bit today and still flatline, Baba could be a nasty one for next week. AI has been trying to set up as well. You are correct on that. Yeah, I do have alerts on this one. So if this one fires off, AI is a fun one. If this goes, that'll be another like 500 to 1,000 percenter. Here comes the big dogs. What's up, Mo? How you doing, buddy? Yeah, Amazon moving. We're flickering. How do you get the sound effect alert on TradingView? I don't even know. I mean, I just turned my volume on, and it just does it automatically. ES trying to break 5,600. I mean, it did in the pre-market here, and it did right here. If you break 5,600, that could be a little dirty. Amazon. It's close. 2 ticks away. Good morning, all. What's up, Tor? How you doing, buddy? SMCI, is that setting up? Not yet. Not yet. If it can, remember what we did on this one? This one was the dirty one. I think it was this one, wasn't it? Or was it here? No, it was here. It was here. This is where I was looking at SMCI. The reason I didn't take it, it was like 1 day of consolidation. Oh, ES is trying to break that 5,600 here. It's trying, man. Yeah, hope you guys all had a good 4th of July. Hope you're well. Yeah, doing great, man. Let's see. What do we got? Where's Palo Alto? Oh, dude, I love this chart. I kind of love this chart. I kind of love it. I kind of love it. This is, yeah, make sure that you guys have notifications on for that new Twitter account, Short the VIX 2. I say that, and then some of you guys don't do it, and then I tweet out like 600 percenters, and you guys are like, wait, what? I missed it. And it's like, well, that's why I say turn notifications on. I got 2 that I'm hunting that I'm gonna tweet out, so that'll be a fun one. Amazon trying to cruise here a little bit. It's just that 200 area on it. I think it's just scaring people with Bezos. Because that was the thing. Like, we broke it and started moving, and then Jeff Bezos came in and ruined the party. I was like, hey, Jeff, freaking chill out, okay? And he did not chill out. He sold like $6 billion worth of shares. Oh, edit and include sound. Oh, interesting. I didn't know that. Thanks, Eddie. Netflix back down. Thank God. I want this thing to just chill. Oh, no. Right back up. Oh, ES broke 5,600 during market hours. That's interesting. That is interesting, man. %10 daily average volume in the first 30 minutes. That's a lot, isn't it? That's kind of a lot. Palo Alto's back green. Notifications on. There you go, Tor. Netflix cruising now. Let's see. Dude, Palo Alto might do it here too. It just needs to chill a little. It's like $1 away from the alert going off, which could be nasty. 180% on ARM and out. Wayne, I love you, bro. Seeing Wayne make money with what we teach, like, it's ridiculous, man. So make sure you guys are taking advantage of that 40% off deal. You're going to get the Discord when it launches for free. You're not going to have to pay for it. And the 40% off deal now, like, that's insane. I really shouldn't have done that because you guys are kind of taking advantage of that, but whatever, man. Like, it's all good. Palo Alto just looks so perfect. It looks mildly perfect. It doesn't look as perfect as this or the Tesla, but this is B+, is what I would say. And you've got, like, if that wants to get some legs on it, it can really go. Because remember, we were talking about Palo Alto like an RKT, where, oh, here comes Netflix. Where when we look at RKT, what it did when we were just blasting it back in here, up, flat, boom, up, flat, boom, and it just kept going for you. Like, this was like a 1 to what, 14 and a half? You're welcome. Oh, you got shares on Palo Alto? There you go. Yeah, Amazon just doesn't want it here. Netflix might. I'm usually not the biggest fan of entering things on front. All right, Palo Alto. You want to play? You want to play? There it is. It's playing. Ooh, those are not cheap. Oh, they're spready. Oh, they're very spready. Those assholes. Are they gonna try and fuck me on this? Oh, they're such assholes on this. Yeah, Palo Alto did just pop. That's going. Now it's dude, it's over $1 from where we were looking at it. It just shot $1. Here comes Netflix. Here we go. I might just hunt Netflix instead. All right. If anybody was able to snag the Palo Alto, I mean, that was quick. That was really quick. So the entry looks like this. This is what it looks like right here. Right there. You could target that. 369. You could get real spicy on Palo Alto. I just look. Now it's up like $2 from where we looked at it. That one just moved a little quick. Facebook is not the setup. I don't know why you're going for that one. AMD's ripping? Oh, hello. Hello, AMD. Palo Alto's now at $2. Was anybody able to snag the Palo Alto? Because that was dirty. The contracts that I'm looking at are already up like 60%. I just wasn't quick enough. Here comes Netflix. Oh boy, these are not cheap. Woo! They're going for it on the Netflix chain. Oh my lord. You couldn't grab the Palos? AMD? Yeah, wait. It wants it, I think. You're up 40% on Palo Alto. Nice. Netflix just got sharked off of that. Woo, look at that. Oh my. Oh dear, look at that thing get sharked. Palo is right back down. Let's yeah. Well, that's right there now. That was just a pop, lock, and drop. Look at that. Watch. See? I actually don't hate that here. Wait, what? Why are they so expensive now? Oh, I know why. ES getting hit. See? Boom. Netflix back down. Let's see. Dude, what just happened to the? This is why nobody should be day trading today. I'm just looking at Palo here, and it's just not doing shit. Oh no, there it goes. Oh, I think they gave me a gift. All right, let's see. That was dirty there. Yeah, we got alerts set. Let's see. I mean, Netflix made an attempt there, and then right as it was getting up to that high, it just got whacked. But that was the market coming in here and saying, no, thank you. All right, let's see. What'd you miss? Nothing. Netflix made an attempt. Palo Alto tried as well. It's kind of right around that entry here, too. Market getting killed here. That was so strange. Look at this thing. What just happened? There's no news. This is why, guys, do not be day trading today. I don't know why you would want to day trade today. Look at how nasty this was. This was open death. You're not getting anything on that. Zero. You're getting zero on that. 5 minute, it just goes open, dead. Let's see if Palo can get some legs under it. Netflix, if it can come up and break. AMD still strong. What the heck happened to the market here, man? I guess it just really did not like being above 5,600, like at all. It hated that. It hated every second of that. Let's see. You got 3 minutes left for a new 15-minute candle here. That could get spicy. You just got killed. Good thing it was only MNQ. I don't know why you're trying to do it. That's like, it's a, what do you call it, day? It's a NFP day. There's literally nothing about this market right now that you guys should be thinking, oh, I want a day trade. Zero. Absolutely nothing. 4 cents away from scaling out in your AMD. Here it comes. Look at this candle, team. I mean, Netflix is unbothered for now, but we'll see. Thank you. Like, think about it. What about an NFP day after you've seen all this craziness makes you be like, oh, yeah, let's just stick our head in the alligator's mouth and hope we don't get bit? You always do it too early or too late. That comes with time, Cole. That comes with time. Thank you for mentioning 5,600. That was your cue to dump Amazon. Yeah, you're welcome. I don't know. Maybe it gets eaten right back up like we saw with that last candle, but these candles are getting weird. Palo not really moving. It's just kind of flatlined right here. It'd be interesting if it came up and broke 345, basically 346. Let's see. You got 2 minutes left on this candle. Let's see if they try to eat it. Apple doesn't care. Playing one contract. Oh, yeah, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. I just still don't know. It's not a day to be day trading. This is a day to be ticker hunting for swing. That's what today is. Yeah, they're eating it a little. Netflix show. It still could come up to this 689.97. I mean, it still could go. That'd be an interesting one if it went today. It was so close. Like, what was the high? 689.67. It was like 30 cents away. Here comes the market back up. I mean, the sellers and buyers are very strong. The sellers here were very, very, very aggressive. Like, that was nuts. It was all of a sudden, oh no, the market's tanking. Very interesting. Let's see. This is a data set highs and lows of NFP day. Those levels matter. Yeah, I mean, we haven't broken out of either of it. I mean, I could throw the alerts here to just see. This 13 seconds to go until a new 15-minute candle here. This could, I mean, you're closing above it. It looks like it wants to close above the zone. But you got to see. Then you have Euro close at 11:30. What did Netflix do? Is that just a 15 test? On the, what do you call it? Oh, yeah. I mean, that's just, that's a nasty wick. That's interesting. VIX had one little pop when he hit 5,600. And then, not, I mean, it did go. Here comes Palo down. Let's see. Let's see. Dollar trying to hold above 105. What are bonds doing? Ooh, the dollar's getting eaten back up here. But not really a crazy reaction on it. Netflix flashing around, Palo flashing around, AMD came down. This is just weird. Like, I don't know why anybody would think, oh, yeah, let's day trade today. Like, that doesn't make sense. It's fine. You guys can do what you want to do. If you guys want to have, like, success, you know what you got to do. We got water. That was a big boy candle there on Palo, though. I think that's going to have the same 15-minute wick. Yeah. It was very, very, very close to that 345.97 area there. Palantir's about a no, it's not. Oh my God, Palantir, you freaking a-hole. I'm never gonna get my sub 20, am I? I'm just never gonna get it. Whoa, Netflix got a little pop. Hello. Barely anything though. It's got to clear this. When am I rolling out the Discord? End of August. End of August. So everybody that's in the courses right now is going to get it for free. Anybody that hops in now, taking advantage of that 40% off deal, is also going to get it for free. You're not going to have to pay every single month. It's going to be free for you guys. I love you. You're welcome, Ralph. So yeah, I mean, you guys have that 40% off deal for you guys. If you missed that one, I mean, that's the sickest deal I've ever offered. All right, Netflix making a little march. Palo Alto making a little march. Hello. Palantir, I love you. I wish I had more. I want more Palantir. It's my shares, and I want more. All right, let's see if Palo can get a move. Market didn't really do anything there, but those two look strong, man. Those two look strong. Yeah, so last week of August is when we're going to start getting all you guys in there for free. And then in September, at some point, I'll probably open it up to everybody else. But, I mean, if you guys aren't taking advantage of the deal, I don't know. Like, it's great. 40% off right now. I should not be doing that. But you're welcome. Hold on, I gotta move orders around. All right, let's see. PayPal looks like a week or two out. Ooh, hold on. What about a firm? Ooh, good call there, Reaper. I kind of like the PayPal. Yeah, what about a firm? Because a firm has been wonderful. Like, dude, that trade on a firm, 1 to 15 risk to reward. You're welcome. Netflix popping. What the heck is going on outside? It's a Friday. Everybody chill out. All right, okay. If Palo Alto breaks that high today, this one, 345.97, that's going to be real interesting. I do like that PayPal though. That's an interesting one. Sellers just can't keep this market down for long. It doesn't appear that way. It almost looks like the sellers came in with just low volume and whacked it, and then the buyers were like, yeah, about that. Netflix hunting 688. It's that level right here, the 689.97. That's all-time high. Well, it's close to all-time high. I don't know if that's the exact all-time high, but it's very, very, very close. It's 689.88. What's this? Oh, I was close. So it was close to breaking. Well, Palo, here we go. Palo. Whoa, 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 whoa. My Palos did a little something, something there. Hello. Hey, bud. All right, I got to set up some orders on this. What is that? All right, hold on. I'm up 32% on Palo Alto right now. 35. So I took that one. I also have a little Netflix starter too. I want to set my orders up so I can, play. I can't do math right now. Okay. Oops. I'm struggling with math. All right, there we go. Now my orders are there. Netflix getting screwed around with. Market, same deal. Palo could be a nasty one. If this wants to get some legs today, we might have gemmed it again. So I entered on the retest of coming down to the breakout level. That's not something I typically do, but since it moved so quick on me, I was like, that's fine. Nice day. Yeah, nice day so far. My Netflixes are slightly red, but my Palo Altos are up 37%. So I'm looking for that little 150% scale out on that thing. If that wants to get a big shoot through here, this 345.97, that could be really nasty for us. So if it wants to go, it wants to go. If it doesn't, it doesn't. We will see. Market doing whatever. What the hell is going on outside? So much noise happening today. I think that's moving up. 38% on the Palo Altos. Yeah, I'm up nicely. I'm up nice here. Yeah, I have the Palo Altos. I got it on the retest. So when it did this, I'll show you. When it came back down and tested in here, this is where I got it. So maybe it pushes, maybe it doesn't. Netflix, we still need. I got in a little early on this one because it's moving with some steam. So I would love to see this thing get up there. Market trending up. So if Netflix breaks that all-time high today, that could be really fun. So it's what, $2 away basically, $2.50 away. This thing can move quick. That's the thing. Like, this thing just ripped. Like, all right. Done for the day. There you go, Ralph. Yeah, I'm up like 0.5% right now. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Let the positions cook. I've got limit orders on everything, so if they wanna go print for me, good for them. If they don't, they don't. So, and again, those of you guys that are filtered in here, if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button, helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. You guys have the best deal in the world for you too. 40%? Are you kidding me? You get the 18 winning months in a row day trading strategy. You get the list of stocks that are about to explode before they do. And you're gonna get the Discord for free when it drops. That's crazy. Netflix just wiggling around. I wouldn't be surprised if this market's probably just gonna chop around all day. I do have the high and low of NFP marked, just in case. Netflix down, Palo up. Here goes Palo a little. 42% on the Palo Altos. Whoa, did this just hit what I thought it just hit? No. Yeah, it did. Oh, no, it did. Yeah, it tried there. Why the pop-up? Is that Macy's? I don't know. That's weird. Netflix back down. This market will, I mean, you'd have to see this thing get back above 5,600 for Netflix to really get some steam. Yeah, I don't know about that one, Ralph. I haven't seen any news on that. Yeah, Netflix just got whacked about $1.20, I think. How long is the code good for? I mean, I'm probably gonna leave it up for a while until I release the Discord. But again, the sooner you hop in, the sooner you get to nail trades like the Tesla 3,000-4,000%er, the Palo Alto 600%er. So again, you can wait if you want. But you're gonna miss a lot of really solid trades, and the day trades too. Those are filthy. Netflix pop back up, Palo Alto. I mean, 345 would be interesting on it because you do have, I mean, this right here, this 345.97. So basically 346. If we break there, you could scream up to 350. It's possible. You have a runner on workday. That was another gem. Yeah. Well, it was more of a slow grind. Would you ever consider moving your stop loss slightly above zero on a swing trade if you reach around 40-50%, so you never take a loss? I do that at 100 or 150%. That's where I do it. Okay, thanks. Yeah, no problem, Steven. So, yeah, Trey, there's really I do that, but I only do it like if all right, let's think about this for example. Let's say if the Palo Altos run up 100%, I'll go stop to break even and then hunt 150% for my scale out. For Netflix, I'd probably hunt 100% for those. So I would never do it at 40 or 50% because it wouldn't make sense to do it. So yeah, I do, but we talked about that on the Twitter account as well. Kind of how I manage risk on a lot of these. All right, we got a minute left for a new 15-minute candle. These new 15-minute candles are gonna be interesting. Netflix is moving around like a crazy person right now. Oh my god, that's like dollar ranges. Yeah, Steven, and then you have all weekend to go through all of the educational content, and then you have questions about anything, just shoot me a message. I'm always around to answer your guys' questions. That's something that I do offer right now too. That like if you guys have questions, just shoot me a message on Instagram or my new Twitter account, and I'm always there to answer your guys' questions. Because like the sooner you fully understand it, the sooner that you can implement like just like you're so powerful. Like I just show you guys this all the time. Let's see. 30 seconds for a new 15-minute candle. This next one will be interesting. I mean, ES got bought up a little bit, but not enough. Palo Alto got hit a little. Netflix coming up, though. What do you call a man with no body and no nose? I don't know. What do you call a man with no body and no nose? All right, new candle. Did Netflix trigger? It was close. I got it a little early, so I have a little bit of it. But I got it. Like, it's red. Nice, thank you. Yeah, no problem, Steven. Market chopping. Nobody knows. That's funny. Catch you next week. Rack Customs. There you go, buddy. I'll see you next week. Netflix still looks good. Palo came down a little. This thing can do anything, though. Like, if it wants to get going, it'll be fast. It'll happen out of nowhere. Because they just bought. It was very similar to what happened here. Like, it could just go boom. If Netflix can get above 688, I think you've got a good shot at going to break that high. Again, it's a $600 stock, so it can move around a lot, which it does. Oh, here comes the market. Here comes the sun. Do. And then, yeah, I can throw that Apex link for you guys in here too. Those of you guys that still need more of those funded accounts, I mean, that they're still doing that 80% off sale, that 1 day to pass. Somebody told me it was like $2,500 for $3 million in funding. I was like, are you kidding me? That's the most insane prop firm deal that I've ever seen. Netflix above 688. That's good. Now we need Palo to get going. So there's that link there. You guys are interested? I make like $2 like when you guys get those accounts. Boom. There you go, Daniel. That's me. Always there. Love that. Todd, I am. I know. Todd. Yeah. Well, Todd, you haven't sent me a message in a little while. Must mean you're doing pretty good, understanding everything. I know. I am always there. It's like, what's that insurance company that's always there? There's one. Isn't it Allstate or something? Allstate. I am always there. I'm like the most accessible out of like anybody. You guys send me messages, I respond back to you guys in like what, 20 minutes, maybe. Depends on the day though. Like if I'm out, it's gonna be tough. But usually I'm pretty quick with you. Here comes Palo a little. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Go make a new high. Go bloop. 345.97. That's what we want to see out of you. These Netflix might get snappy. If it gets above 690 and starts pushing, it might get snappy. Well, I was going to tweet out. I mean, I can still tweet out the Netflix. Palo Alto already triggered. Amazon's still afraid of 200. Dude, I know. It was Bezos like in the beginning of the week, but I don't know what's going on with it now. There goes Netflix a little. Came down. Everything's just kind of chilling right now. Yeah, Amazon is terrified of that 200. I don't know why. I mean, that was the all-time high breakout. It should have got Palantir making new highs. Fuck. Oh, I want to own more. I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet. I swear. Or I'm gonna sell. I'll probably what I'll do is I'll sell some puts, but like a lot of them, and then if it hits, it hits. What just happened there? Netflix got hit. Palo Alto got hit. IWM down to 200. That was tempting. Yeah. I like what I have. Palo and Netflix. Those are both good ones. Let's see. All right. What else we got? What else we got? Yeah. Um. And that would be a great testament to your program. I'm doing great. Todd, shout out to you, buddy. Yeah, you guys are all crushing it, man. Palo came down there. You guys are all crushing it. It's awesome to see. Like, there's nothing else like it. The testimonials that I've seen are just ridiculous. I use Webull, Tradeovate, and NinjaTrader. That's what I use. Stop trading Forex. I know that's why you're asking. Stop. Be an adult. Stop messing around with unregulated nonsense with terrible prop firms. Like, yeah, you guys are crushing it. It's awesome. I mean, you guys see all the testimonials on Instagram all the time. I'll probably throw a couple more out on Twitter. I mean, you guys saw Wayne's. Wayne's been slaughtering it. The sellers are coming back here. Let's see. Workday still put. Where's that Datadog? Dude, Datadog. There you go. Boom. Boom. Where's that Tessie? This was probably the best trade of the month. Well, it was last month, technically, because I gave this one to you guys last month. But yeah, I mean, that was when I said, here's the other thing, guys. When I said, and I told you guys this on the private stream, I was like, hey guys, because I was like, hey, you know that tweet I sent out where it was like, if you guys hit 50 likes on the tweet, I'll send 1,000% gain ticker. It was Tesla. So pay attention to pay a premium. Make sure you guys have notifications on for that Twitter. Little quid pro quo there. All I needed was you to click a button and I was going to hand out the Tessie on Twitter. But no. You saw Nancy bought like 5 million of AVGO calls. Does it show strike at expiration? I think it does, but I wouldn't touch those. You're late. The reporting isn't instant. It's not like on the day she does it. It's like 45 days after. I think they have like 45 days to report. Palo just kind of chilling here. It's a good setup. I mean, if this thing wants to go, it'll go. Let's see. You need the market to do something. See, this is why I was saying don't day trade today. It doesn't make any sense. It's just going to chop around and piss all of you guys off. Thanks for that. Yeah, no problem, Chanley. You can I've actually seen there are some services out there where you can like select a politician and then like copy it to your broker and it automatically buys the stuff that they buy. And I think some of those do actually very well. So, I mean, take that with a grain of salt, but they do perform. I wouldn't take the options on them though. Like you're just chopping around within the NFP range. This is the no trade zone. You don't want to be doing anything. Let's see. Shop scaled out at 98% on AMD. Great work, Wayne. Shop we have been looking at. How's it look? I think I have alerts on it, don't I? That is breaking. It's just not the best setup. Time to burn IV for the rest of the day. That's what it looks like. I mean, unless it wants to really get a push above 5,600 again, and then it wants to like run above here and then test that 5,605, which it could. But I mean, that's kind of where the sellers have been stepping up. Palo looks okay. It's not the best. Netflix looking okay here. I'd love to see it come up, break that all-time high. See? What are you still doing on stream? I'm watching positions, man. Chilling. Having a good time. Watching the market. Yeah. Oh, and make sure you guys are watching those. I mean, you guys can do what you want. But I did hand you a gem of a YouTube video this week. If you guys haven't seen it yet, you definitely should go check that one out. It breaks down the Tesla trade for you. You get a little insight into how I do things with that video. I'm not really doing anything this weekend. I'm just working. I got, well, the VIX Insights research report. That's going to be a good one for you guys. Oh, Netflix popping. Making an attempt. These, oh God, these premiums are whippy, man, and spready. Oh my. Yeah, here comes Netflix a little. Ooh, that tightened up there. Here we go. That was a big push. Let's see if it breaks. If it breaks, you might have fun. 690 up to 700. It might. It could. Today, I don't know, but that's almost. It's not straight shot, but it's. You could do it. If it holds here and wants to get a little action, especially with ES moving up, I'd be a fan. It's flatlining here, which is not the greatest sign. Let's see. Yeah, and we're live. I'll be live publicly Mondays and Fridays for you guys. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is for when all of you guys that are in the programs get. Yeah, here it goes. There it is. 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 Woo! All right, my Netflixes are ripping now. So let's see if this can get a nice push. Yep. 13% of my Netflixes. My Palo Altos are basically flat. They're up 7%. 17% of my Netflixes. Come on, buddy. Come on, Netflix. Fuel the jet. Fuel the jet. If this thing gets to 700 today, I'll lose my mind. I don't know if it will, but that's a nice all-time high break out there. So let's see if that can go. Palo Alto not really doing much. ES starting to cruise. If we hit the Netflix again, that'd be fun. It's just chop it now, but let's see. Let's see. Yeah, 2 minutes. If it wants to hold 690, I mean, how's the 15-minute look? It lost it. It's back up. It's back down. It's back up. It's back down. Little volume coming in here. Let's see what they want to do with this thing. No, they're sharking it a little. Let's see. All-time high breakouts can get fun. Or if they do the same shit to me that they did on the, you get a better price. It could have been the spreads. Oh, I'm on next week's. Your Netflixes are free now. There you go, Caesar. Am I still in TTD? No, I cut TTD very quickly. I think it broke like 190, 90 something. I don't know. What was it? TTD? No. Yeah, when it like did this, I was like, no, I'm not taking any of that. Or no, it was, I forget what it was. I ditched it quick though. I didn't want it. It wasn't the best setup, so I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna burn it. Pan W, how we looking? Palo coming up. Netflix back up here. No, I'm not in TTD. I cut that one quick. I just have Netflix and Palo Alto right now. I mean, what are my Netflixes right now? Now they're 12%. I mean, my Palos are up 14. I have limit orders on 18 on Palo, 17 on Netflix. It spreads though. That's what it is. They're just spready. So as if it starts to bro, I'm making a lot of money on AMD today. Jesus, look at this thing. AMD's up what? How many dollars of movement is this? Jeez, man, 4%. You guys know how big of an AMD position I have. I still have a giant position. I still might sell another 100 shares, get like 16 grand or 17 grand or something off of it. But team, it's 10:45. That's going to wrap it up for us here today. Again, you guys all have access to that 40% off deal there. And if you do hop in, get all the educational curriculum videos. You get the watch list of stocks that are about to explode before they do. You get all of the private live streams. If you take advantage of that deal, you're also going to get the Discord when it launches for free. You're not going to have to pay monthly. So for those of you guys that are interested in that, there's the link. The code is STV40 for 40% off. That's the craziest deal I've ever offered, I think. So if you take advantage of it, you guys know the deal. We got that Apex link in the description too. You guys need more Apex accounts. You guys know where to go for that. Netflix looking pretty good here. I'd love to see this thing start breaking. I mean, where is this? 701. That'd be nasty. If this thing got another big pop, that would be filthy. So where's Palo right here? We'll check. Oh my God, AMD is ripping. 2 words. Thank you. Account is up 90% this week. Insane. Boric. That's awesome, man. That is awesome. That is awesome, guys. Again, you guys see the results over here. If you guys want to change your trading performance for the better, you know where to go. So let me check Palo really quick. It's just chilling. Team, Netflix looking good, though. Netflix looking all right. So I will see you guys later. Peace.